Earn extra cash during COVID online. Making money offline transforms into making money online due to the COVID-19 situation, the pandemic that brought the modern world to a halt. Nations are under lockdown, and the global economy is on the brink of a massive breakdown. The purpose of this video is to give you ideas on how to make money online. This list will help you earn a little extra money from home. Almost everyone has access to the internet, so this list will primarily focus on teaching you how to make money online from home, so that you don't have to go outside. And some of these ways can end up becoming a primary or passive source of income after the pandemic is over. Before we get started, make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit that bell icon so you get notified every time we post a new video. Become a content writer. Are you good at writing? If yes, then making money online is easy for you. Many companies, businesses, and organizations are looking for good content writers, and you'll find lots of content writing gigs available if you search for them online. How? You can consider becoming a content writer. It's relatively easy, and you can earn a lot of money doing it. Now, understand this. You won't make a ton of money right from the get-go. You should first focus on writing for select websites and work on creating a rapport. If your vision is to become a quality content writer, then you should always consider writing original content. Remember, if the client catches any plagiarism, then it's going to negatively impact your career. However, it would be beneficial for you to check plagiarism of your written content through the online plagiarism checker with a percentage. The plagiarism checker compares your content with that of published content over the internet. Once you complete a few tasks and you've built up your portfolio, you will start to get many writing gigs and will be able to earn a handsome sum of money. Sell your photos. Are you good at taking pictures? Do you have a lot of photographs on your phone or computer? Then consider selling those photos. Have you ever wondered about where all the pictures on the internet come from? Well, that's the amazing thing. People sell the photographs that they take, and the businesses that need such pictures buy them. Don't worry yourself over what types of photographs to take and all the small detail. You can take pictures of your pets, things around the house, landscapes. There are no rules to this. If you have a good photo of something, then there's a good chance that someone somewhere can use it in their business. That said, try to analyze trends and what themed photos sell the most, and try to take those types of photos. Doing this will allow you to quickly sell your photos and earn a bit of money. Start a blog or a website. Blogging or launching websites for business is another profitable category to make money online. There are hundreds of thousands of websites on the internet, and you can create your blog or website relatively easily. And through affiliate marketing, many websites earn hundreds if not thousands of pounds. Now understand that you will have to put in a little bit of work in creating a popular website or blog, but the payoff can be huge if you can do this right. And SEO, search engine optimization, is something that will help you easily rank high in Google search and bring in a lot of traffic to your website or blog. This is one of the best ways out there if you are familiar with how it works. Start a YouTube channel. You already know what YouTube is. You've probably already watched 5 to 10 videos on YouTube today. This lockdown is the perfect time for you to start your YouTube channel. YouTube gives you the freedom to express yourself. Create videos about anything you want, and if people like it, your channel will slowly grow. You'll be able to earn a lot of money through YouTube ads and sponsors if your channel has a respectable following. And it's one of those things that can turn into a full-time career. Hundreds of people have left their regular jobs and are now working as a full-time YouTuber. Who knows? Maybe your channel will go viral, and before you know it, your videos will be trending on YouTube. And the best thing about YouTube is there's a community for almost everything that you can think of. Like seriously, think of any topic you want, and you will find a video about it on YouTube. Get paid by testing websites. Testing websites are a good and easy way for you to earn money during the lockdown. Businesses will pay you to test how user-friendly their website is, to find whether or not there are issues with the website, what changes can help the website perform better, etc. As businesses rely on websites to do business now, They need to make sure their website is user-friendly, and they hire tons of people to test their website. You don't need to have expert knowledge on websites. Just do an honest review and give your recommendations. So consider testing websites. This is an easy way for you to earn money online. Become a gamer. This is my favorite answer to the question of how to make money online from home. Become a gamer. Yes, you can earn money from gaming. You can participate in gaming tournaments, stream your gaming sessions, upload gaming videos, work with a gaming company or team, post videos on YouTube about gaming, etc. What can I say? Just Google how much a professional gamer earns, and you'll be shocked. And the best thing is, this allows you to stay home, play games, and earn money. What can be better than that? That's the dream, right? So that's it for today's video. Make sure you subscribe to the channel and let us know in the comments section what you thought of our video, and what topics should we cover in the upcoming ones. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you next time.